48 days of holistic living. So we are going to start our one of the most anticipated or one of the life transforming program we have ever done in 8 years. So this is the third time we are going to do it, and we don't do it often. We did it like few years back, the first batch, and it was more on an experimental basis. I called it as a social experiment, and it did work out, and a lot of people got benefited. And we did the second version. That was good, but then I gave a gap. I didn't do it, but then many people were asking like, when do we conduct it? So after I think almost a year gap, again we are starting. So this will be like for people who are like, there are so many things you might have learned from community, learned from many people, particularly during this lockdown. You all would have learned a lot. The point is there are so many things that we have to put into practice, and we really don't know how do we implement those things in day-to-day life. So it's like too many things, like how do you get up in the morning? From getting up in the morning till you reach your restroom and cleanse yourself and come out itself will take at least 30-40 tasks there we'll have to follow. So that is something we have to do it in a methodical way. So one by one we will be doing it together. So this is for people who have learned many things and who want some guidance on how do you put everything in daily practice and slowly putting all the things what you have learned holistic living into day-to-day practice, and that becomes part of your habit. So that's what we are going to achieve in this 48 days. And it's one by one step we will do. First day we will do small test. Next day we will do the second task along with the first task. Like that we'll keep on adding it. Gradually we'll make this as part of our daily life. That's what we'll be doing it. And there's a lot of enhancement in the first two batches when I did it, version 1 and version 2. A lot of refinement I done, and now recently we have learned a lot and own experience. So this is going to be entirely a different format compared to the first two what we have done. And initially we thought of not adding previous repeaters, but then since it's going to be a revised version with a lot more changes in it, so this is definitely going to be open for new parents or new members in our HLP world, and the existing people who have done it together. Ideally it will not be exactly 45 days. We'll actually go more, and we will actually do it for more days, but depending on it. But one of the conditions in this program is you have to be very clear. If you do not perform it and you don't have a valid reason, if you are keeping that as a habit, we will be evicting you. You will not be part of the program. Unless you are serious, do not join. Like you want to learn only the tips, means you would have heard most of the things what I've said in YouTube and in WhatsApp. That is more than enough. You can do it. But this is when we as a team together, there is something lot more things we will do. Few things you already know, few things I'll be refining it, few new things you'll be learning it. So if you're looking for a data collection and you think you want to do it later, this might not suit for you. But this is the right time. You really want to do it and you want to get with the help of team and practice it together, and all the things you learned, you want to make it into your life. This is a beautiful time, and we don't repeat this program. Probably we will do it this year, maybe another 1 or 2 years gap, we might do it again. So think about it, and this is going to start next day of Diwali, and it will cover all the aspects, spiritual part, emotional part, lifestyle, wellness, a lot of things. It's like, that's what we call as a complete flagship program, what we have done it. And you can see testimonials, multiple parents have done it, and everybody can speak about it for a day. But I will leave it to you to analyze it. So do join it, and we will start our holistic practices in next day of Diwali, and I'm very excited to begin this program. Thank you. Bye.